This is going to be our Velvet Violet Resin tutorial that I'm creating in our Crystal Edge round mold using Art Pro Resin by Resin Pro. I've chosen shades of violet, as the name states, to do this pour with, and I'm just mixing it up there. I have two colors, blacks and purples, some purple mica, my white, and a push. This is part of our resin recipe series where I have the recipes listed on our website that gives exact measurements, the exact products I used, and there'll be a link down below in the description area. And I like using Art Pro resin for this because it's a medium viscosity resin that's highly reactive, and that's what gives me such great results in these pours. That plus our Crystal Edge round mold, which I'm using here, one of my favorites. There'll also be a 10% discount on that mold that's good for the next week, as well as a discount for 10% off any Resin Pro products on their website. And I'm using a little bit of a heat gun after adding the black on the bottom. And it's a pretty simple pour. And as you'll see from the end result, I don't do perfect circles here, but it turns out anyway. I end up going in different directions as well because I don't want the color to just glop up in one area. As you can see, it's getting a little heavier on the left side, so I start circling left to right. And you can go inside to out, outside to in with these circles. It doesn't really matter. You're just filling the space, and you save a little bit at the end and pour it in the center. You don't have to do that, but you can. I do it on some of the pours. And then you just basically repeat it with the mica mix and then the white. And like I said, this is called Velvet Violet because it is shades of purple. Shimmery, shimmery purples. And as you can see, again, not perfect circles. They're kind of crazy looking, but it does turn out well in the end result. And I do love doing this pour, and I do love using this mold. It's like if I could use this mold every day, I would do it. And I've taken a break this summer, kind of gotten away from regular resin. I've been working a lot with eco resin that I still have to get videos up, but that'll be in a different video or different videos. And here I'm just repeating the process. And like I said, the Resin Art recipe has the exact measurements, scoops, products that I use, favorite products, things that you need just as a resin artist, and links to Amazon or customer or companies' websites for the products. And the links, as long as they're active, they will work, as long as the product hasn't sold out. And there, just putting a little bit of push to the center. And then I'm adding some crushed glass and glitter. And then it's time to just wait for the magic to happen. I always have a little bit of a speed ramp in here to show the back of it closing up and kind of blooming on its own, even though this isn't a flower pour. Again, I'm using a little bit of a torch, trying not to get it to the edges of the mold. And there's the colors moving and changing. After about 12 hours, or a little bit longer, it's time to demold. Like I said earlier, if you like this pour, we're offering a 10% discount on our Crystal Edge round mold. And if you want to try out Art Pro Resin for yourself, there's a link in the description for 10% off that as well. Hope you enjoyed the pour. I think it lived up to its name of Velvet Violet.